Hello children, hope you all are good. We are going to start chapter 7, Formatting in MS Word 2013. Formatting makes a text look attractive, organized and easy to read. In this chapter, you are going to learn about formatting font style, highlighting the text, alignment, changing the case, formatting text using Format Painter. For formatting font style, you have to follow some steps like you will open your MS Word, then click on the Home tab. Click on the drop down arrow of the font box and choose the font from the list. Then click on drop down arrow of the font size box and choose the font size. Same as you will change the font color also, select the text first and then click on the font color. One drop down arrow will appear, there you can choose your favorite color. Now highlighting the text. Highlighting the text changes the background color of the selected text. For that you will choose, first you select the text, then after click on text highlight color. One drop down menu will appear from the font group and there you will choose the color. On the selected text, you can apply bold, italic and underline option from the font group. Alignment. Alignment means arrangement of text within the margins. There are 4 types of alignment, like first one left alignment, right alignment, center alignment and justify alignment. Let us see the example. There are 4 types of alignment. First one is left, then center, right and justify. Changing the case. Using the change case, you can change the case of existing text without rewriting it. Like if you write in a small letter, you can change it in capital, and if you write in capital letter, you can change it in a small letter. There are 4 types of change case. First one sentence case, lower case, upper case, title case and toggle case. In sentence case, first letter of the sentence is in capital and rest are in small. Lower case means in small letter, upper case means capital letter, and capitalize each word or title case is first letter of each word is in capital letter and rest is in small. And toggle case is just opposite. The capital letters are changed to small letters and small letters to capital letter. Format Painter is used to quickly apply the same formatting such as color, font styles and size, border style to multiple pieces of text or graphics. For applying this, you will select the text first and then formatting that we want to copy and go to the Home tab and click on Format Painter. To inserting the cover page makes great additions to written documents such as work report, essay and so on. To add the cover page, you go to the Insert tab in the Pages group. Click Cover Page. Click a cover page layout from the gallery of options. Adding border to a page. For adding border to a page, you will go to the Design tab. There you will click on the Page Borders button. Then click on Page Border tab and click on the box, setting and line style. Then at last click on OK. After that you can add background color to a page also. For that also you will click on the Design tab, then click on Page Color button. Color box will appear, there you will choose the color and apply it. After that, header and footer. Header is any text or image that is placed at the top of the page, and similarly footer is anything that is placed at the bottom of a page. Header and footer can be a text, picture, date, time or a page number. To add header and footer, following steps are: click on the Insert tab and click on header, otherwise footer. A drop down list will open. Choose the style for the header and footer, and header appear at the top and footer appear on the bottom of the page. Watermark. A watermark is an image or text that appears behind the main text of a document. To add the watermark to your document, following steps are: you will click on the Page Layout tab and then click on Watermark option to open a drop-down list. Then click on any one of the styles to choose a watermark, and then click on Custom Watermark option to open a printed watermark dialog box, and at last click on Remove Watermark option to remove the watermark from the document. This is the example of watermark. And the last topic of the chapter, that is printing a document. For printing a document, following very simple steps, like you will click on the File tab, then click on Print and set each setting option according to your need. Specify the number of copies and then at last click on Print. Thank you children, and keep learning.